Hello, friends. Welcome to Frontal Lobe. I am Dr. Saman. Let's start a very important topic, growth and development. Now, this is the most important topic from pediatrics. A lot of question has been asked, and this is obviously the topic which is exclusive to pediatrics. So, let's start. So, first of all, we must know what is growth and what is development. So, growth is basically increase in size. Growth is what? Sorry. Growth is nothing but increase in size of tissue. So how does a tissue grows? I mean the growth tissue was earlier this much. It was the size of the ball. Now it has become a size of a bigger ball. So that is how growth occurs. What is development means? Development is nothing but maturation of functions. Like the same baby who was just sleeping and pooping and peeing and drinking milk, and now the same baby is able to sit. Same baby is able to walk, able to talk. So that is the maturation of function. So that is basically development. Now you can see a picture in this slide. What is this? This is nothing but an infantometer. This is nothing but an infantometer. It is used to measure the length of the baby. Length of the baby. It is used to measure length of the baby. We will study in detail in later slides. So what does growth means? Growth is increase in the size of tissue. As I told you, increase in the size of tissue. So, increase in the size of tissue can occur by two mechanisms. Suppose earlier this tissue was made up of this much of cells. Now these cells they divide and they form more cells, right? The cells divide and form more cells. So that is how you can see this tissue has now grown in size by multiplication of cells. The second mechanism can occur that these cells can increase in the size, right? So cell size can also increase. So that is how a tissue can also grow. So the growth of the tissue can occur by two mechanisms, by increasing the size of cells and by increasing the intracellular substance of the cells, that is in cytoplasm of the cell. So this is known as hyperplasia. Obviously the multiplication of cells, hyperplasia, and this is known as hypertrophy. This is known as hypertrophy. So a growth means nothing but increase in the size of tissue. The growth of the tissue can occur by two mechanisms, by multiplication of cells and by increase in intracellular substances. I hope this is understood. Coming to development, what does development mean? So development is, as I told you, it is maturation of function. So as you can see in the picture, the child is, you know, child is just lying down on the back. Then the same child will, crawl, then creep. Then the child is able to stand with the help of support. Then the child is able to stand without support. Then he walks, runs, hops, jumps, right? So this is nothing but maturation of function. Something which the child was not able to do earlier is now able to do. Something happens, something changed inside his brain. So this is basically related to maturation of neurons inside nervous system, right? So it is related to myelination of nervous system or myelination of neurons. Please remember, growth is nothing but increase in size of the tissue, overall increase in the size of the baby, and maturation is acquisition of new functions, right? So growth is basically a quantitative पैरामीटर, राइट? क्वांटिटी बढ़ रही है, ठीक है? पहले 1 किलो, 2 किलो, 3 किलो, 10 किलो, 15 किलो का वेट बढ़ रहा है, ठीक है? क्वांटिटी बढ़ रही है. डेवलपमेंट इज development is a qualitative process. That is how it can be understood better. So growth is a quantitative process. Development is a qualitative process. Now, when does this growth occurs? So it is amazing to know that the growth occurs throughout the childhood. So from the time the mother conceived the baby in her womb till the child becomes complete adult, growth is a continuous process. The child continues to grow, right? So it occurs throughout the child. From the time of conception, from the time of conception till it becomes an adult. The child continues to grow. So what are the different periods of growth? What do we call? So once when the baby in a zygote is formed after the, male and female gametes meet together to form a zygote, then the product of conception is known as ovum for the first 2 weeks. For the first 2 weeks, conception to 2 weeks, 0 to 2 weeks, it is called as ovum. 0 to 2 weeks, 0 to 2 weeks after conception, it is known as ovum. Then up to 8 weeks, 3 to 8 weeks, 3 to 8 weeks, we call it embryo. We call it embryo. 3 to 8 weeks, 3 to 8 weeks, it is known as embryo. Then from 9 weeks till the birth or delivery, it is known as fetus. It is known as fetus. So 9 weeks to birth is fetus. 9 weeks to birth is fetus. Another very important term is perinatal period. So what is perinatal period? Can anybody tell me what is the perinatal period? So perinatal period is nothing but 22 completed weeks, 22 weeks till 7 days after birth. 7 days after birth. So, perinatal period is 22 completed weeks to 7 days after birth. Please remember, this is very important, has been asked. Perinatal period is nothing but 22 weeks. 22 weeks में obviously baby would be inside mother's womb. ठीक है? 22 weeks of conception till 7 days postnatally. This is the perinatal period. Perinatal period. Now, once the baby is born, the postnatal period starts. Postnatal period में as soon as the baby is born, it is called as newborn baby. Till what age? Till first 4 weeks of life. First 4 weeks of life, a baby is known as newborn. First 4 weeks, or you can say first 28 days. So birth to 28 days, a baby is known as newborn. Baby is known as newborn. Newborn period is divided into early newborn period and late newborn period. So what is early newborn period? From birth to 7 days. Birth to 7 days. And from 8th day to 28 days, it is late newborn period. Late newborn period. Understood? Question has been asked. So early newborn period, birth to 7 days, late newborn period, 8th day to 28 days. Overall newborn period, birth to 28 days or 4 weeks of life. First 4 weeks of lives. So coming to infant. Infant is from birth till 1 year. From birth till 1 year is a baby is known as an infant. इसमें भी we can divide into neonate and postneonatal period. Postneonatal period. So what is neonate? We already know first 28 days till 28 days. And this is after 28 days till 1 year of life. So postneonatal is nothing but 29th day of life to 1 year. 29th day to 1 year. 29th day to 1 year. What is a toddler? I think this is understood. So newborn is birth to 28 days. Early newborn is birth to 7 days. Late newborn is 8 days to 28 days. Then what is an infant? Infant is birth to 1 year of age. Neonatal infant and postnatal infant. Neonatal infant is birth to 28 days. Postnatal infant is 29th day till 1 year of age. What is a toddler? A toddler is 1 to 3 year. टॉडलर्स होते हैं ना, तोड़ू पोड़ू, जो हर चीज तोड़ते फोड़ते रहते हैं, फेंकते हैं, ठीक है। तो दे आर वेरी बहुत ही क्यूरियस होते हैं, दे आर वेरी क्यूरियस एंड दे थ्रो अवे एवरीथिंग, राइट। सो टॉडलर एज ग्रुप, तोड़ू फोड़ू एज ग्रुप इज बिटवीन 1 to 3 years, 1 to 3 years, right? Preschool, this is preschool. What is the preschool age? Preschool is 3 to 6 years. 3 साल पे बच्चा स्कूल जाता है ना, प्री स्कूल जाता है, ठीक है। नर्सरी, लोअर केजी एंड अपर केजी, सो दिस इज प्री स्कूल। जो क्लास 1 से पहले जो 3 साल होते हैं वो होते हैं आपके प्री स्कूल एज ग्रुप, 3 to 6 years। देन फ्रॉम 6 year to 12 years इज स्कूल एज चिल्ड्रन। फ्रॉम 6 to 12 years is school age. Again, let's revise these three. So a toddler is between 1 to 3 years, preschool between 3 to 6 years, and school age children between 6 to 12 years. Now, what is adolescence? Now, according to WHO, अभी जो आपकी लेटेस्ट वाली ओपी गई है 10th edition, according to that book, adolescence is period between 10 to 19 years. Please remember, it is 10 to 19. 10 to 19 years is adolescence age group. Adolescence age group, right? Uh, Adolescence is also a very funny age group. So mid adolescence, I mean, I'm just giving you the funda to remember it. Mid adolescence याद कर लीजिए, आपको बाकी सारे याद रहेंगे. So mid adolescence is basically nothing but 14 to 16 years. 14 से 16 साल के बच्चों को हम मिड एडोलेसेंस कहते हैं, ठीक है। 14 to 16 ईयर्स। इसके पहले वाली जो है 10 to 13 ईयर इज अर्ली। 10 to 13 ईयर्स इज अर्ली। इसके बाद वाले जो है 17 से 19 वो लेट हो गए, ठीक है। तो अर्ली एडोल